Okay, this is the Lawnmower Dance, and all the motions have something to do with like lawn care or yard work or something like that. Okay, so my question is, are you ready?
To the main event.
Come on now. I said, are you ready? If you are, we're going to start out by jumping up and down. Okay? Here we go.
Ready to rumble!
Stop. Crank it. Push. Take it for a ride. Ride your more. Low rider. All right, let's keep the count on 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, take a little water break.
Y'all ready for this?
We need it. Let me hear you. All right, use it. Trim the hedges. Scissor hands. Pull weeds. You see, you want to get all the junk out of your life. All the stuff that doesn't need to be there. Things like the lust of the eyes, the lust of the flesh, and the pride of life. These things are not from God, so let's remove it. Rake leaves. You want to put in the good stuff, though. Things like the fruit of the Spirit. Things like love, joy, peace, gentleness, kindness, patience, and long-suffering. Against such things there is no law, so let's water it. Sprinkler.